Alright, since it's the quarantine, I want to do some creative things since I can't meet up with my models and stuff like that. I have a built-in model here.
Built-in?
Yeah. And so we're going to do some experimenting with some photography. But yeah, but we're out here. We got some fencing with some leaves and stuff. And so we're going to try to use that to get some shots. Yay! Alright, so this is something I've never tried before. I have a prism that I bought years ago, and I never had a chance to use it. So I figure, why don't we do that, right? Mm-hmm. And these bees. No. Alright, so how do you feel?
I feel good.
How's your photo shoot? Let's see if we can get some prism action in here. Kind of. You feel good?
Yeah.
You feel
nice.
handsome?
Yeah.
Quarantine creative.
Quarantine creative.
Quarantine creative.
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag quarantine creative.
Hashtag quarantine creative. Yay!
I look a lot taller than you right now.
You are a lot taller than me.
Oh.
So there's that.
There's that.
Yay!
Yay.